Hello everyone. On Dinh Duy Cuong's YouTube channel, a video will be posted every day to answer students' questions and concerns during their participation in the course. If you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share this video on other social media platforms so that when we release new videos, you will be the first to receive notifications. In this video, I will address a question from a viewer asking how to copy multiple lines at the same time. First, you will create a parallel line from the perimeter line inward using the P command. For example, if you want to offset by a certain number of centimeters, you will enter that value here. Okay? After that, you will double click the inner line that we just offset. If you want to create multiple parallel lines, look over to the left and you'll see an option called duplicate. Click on the perform button and a duplicate dialog box will then appear. Enter the number of lines you want here, and if you want each line to be spaced a certain distance apart, enter that value here as well. And note that if you want the lines to go downward, add a minus sign in front, and if you want the lines to be spaced a certain distance apart, enter that value here. After that, just click OK and you'll have copied multiple parallel lines at once. Hello everyone, see you again in the next sharing sessions.